Hello guys, how's it going? This is Mortaza. Welcome to the 5th episode of my SQL training tutorial. As I have told you before, I'm gonna save the snippets so you guys can use them if you want. In the last video, we kind of talked about the where clause. We talked about the fact that we can filter on our records, using the different columns like customer or ID or country. And in this video, I have decided to talk about three more three more operators that you can use in order to fine-tune your where clause. Now I'm gonna delete this where clause, and I'm gonna talk about the countries, right? The country field, right? Now suppose I want to get the customers who live in Germany, so I can very easily say where country, right, equals Germany. We kind of talked about this before. I'm gonna run this, and I'm gonna get the country, the customers who live in Germany. Now suppose I want to get the customers who live in English speaking countries, so either the UK or, for example, the USA, and I think we've got Australia somewhere as well. But we're gonna stick to the UK or the USA, right? So I want the customers who live either in the UK or in the USA. So, but there are different ways to do this. For example, I can say select star from customers where country is either the UK or the country is USA. So this is a kind of a logical operator. We're gonna talk about them a little bit in the next videos, but I just wanted to tell you that you can use or to combine different conditions, and for this for each record to get to the result set, either this condition or this condition needs to meet. So the customer needs to either live in the UK or in the USA in order to be included in the output. Now if I run this, I get all the customers who live either in the UK or in the USA, right? Now there are other ways that you can apply in order to get the same result. For example, you can use in. You can say where country in UK or USA. So in is used to filter the country, and I can put in the different values that I want. So for a customer to get to our result, he or she needs to be either, the country needs to be either UK or USA. So this is the way that you can use in order to get the same results. For example, if I want to include the customers who live in Mexico as well, I can put Mexico here as well. So in the output, I get all the customers who live either in the UK, in Mexico, or in the USA. So within, you can put in a list of values, right? And that field, country, for example, is going to be compared with this list of values. And if either one of these values, matches the thing that we are looking for, so if country is either UK, USA, or Mexico, that customer will be included in the output. So this is how you can use in order to get the get the customers that you are looking for. Another thing that I have decided to talk about in this video is to use between. Now again, I'm gonna get rid of this. Now let me just save this. Now suppose I want to get the customers whose customer ID falls within a range. I want, for example, the customers whose customer ID starts with 10 and continues until 20. So I want to get all these customers. In order to get to those customers, I can use between, which is another operator that you can put in your where clause. So I can say select star from customers where customer ID between, for example, 10 and 20, and then I will run this. You see in the output, I get all the customers whose customer ID starts at 10 and ends at 20. So this is yet another way in order to filter your customers, your results based on, for example, customer ID. So different operators can be used. You can use between, you can use in, you can use equals, not equal, greater than, less than, and so on and so forth. There are, of course, other ways that you can use. We're going to talk about them as we go along throughout the series. But I just wanted to point out between, which is going to be very handy when you want to, kind of check a range of values and get the results who fall into that range that you have specified. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If that's the case, make sure you subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.